Greetings survivors and friends, SHADOWFRAX here with a little addendum to my latest update vid because, would you believe it, after I uploaded the video and spoken it about gestures being a possibility sometime soon, in a shock move, Facepunch went and actually added them to the patch that went out yesterday. However, it seems that because this was quite a stealthy addition, a lot of players may still not know about them, so I wanted to show you which gestures we've been given and how to use them yourself. So, Hulk's given us 7 to begin with, and they are Wave, Victory, Shrug, Thumbs up, Chicken, like that one, Hurry, and Whoa. Now, there are 2 ways you can trigger these at the moment. First of all, you can just type gesture followed by the name of the emote you want into the F1 console, which obviously isn't very practical when someone else is trying to gesture at you using bullets instead. Or the other way is to bind each one to a key, and you can do this by typing bind, then the key you want to use, followed by the command you want to trigger in quote marks. So, for instance, bind 7 gesture wave in quote marks, then press enter. You'll see now that pressing 7 will trigger it. Boom. Of course, you have to bind each gesture to a separate key at the moment. However, we will eventually be getting a Radial menu, so you'll only have to remember one. Also, please note that right now you can't see yourself doing these gestures in first person, so unless you're an admin, you're just going to have to look at your shadow to confirm you've got them working. Anyway, that's it. Go forth and gesture at people, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you found this useful. I'll put all the info down below for you too. Come and join me on Twitch, Twitter, Facebook, Discord and my Steam group, and I shall catch you all soon, but in the meantime, keep calm and stay rusty. Cheerio.